Hey guys, it's Hunter Freeland out here at the Proving Grounds in Middlefield, Ohio. We just finished up day one of the hop tour, finished up an 8-hour class. Started off with some zero stuff, built some platforms as far as the understanding of the draw, presentations, dot behavior, some true control methodologies, culminating at the end with my benchmarks, right, just shooting. Shot mostly 147 grain hop munitions, ran like a top, like it always does. The huge upside that I like about the 147 grain is it prints almost identically to the gold dots that I shoot for duty ammo. So it's easy to have one singular zero and have to swap back and forth from range ammo to duty ammo. So really appreciate the hop guys for bringing me up here. Love the ammo, great crew.